Trying to find a taxi at 6 a.m. Why do we have to put these on our feet? Super cute, Ollie. Welcome to Uruguay, guys, where we have to protect our feet. So we're up bright and early, and I don't know why my videos always start with us getting up so early, because funny story, I am totally not a morning person. We're on a really big ferry, lots of people, and some really cute footwear, heading to Montevideo, Uruguay to catch Carnival, but only for one day. This is like the craziest ferry I've ever been on. And the staircase reminds me of the Titanic. Bad reference right now. We made it to Uruguay. So now we're on the hunt for a coffee shop and to find a place to work for a little bit because it is still a work day and we got some stuff we gotta get done before Carnival tonight. They found this amazing store with the best name. Yep. 50% off tips. Get them before they're gone. It's hot, so we got some ice cream and I got super dulce de leche. But we followed the sidewalk to where it ended. We walked really far along this concrete wall. It's out to a pier. What it looks like to a really old lighthouse kind of setup. We're just kind of exploring now. I might fly the drone in a minute. Done, and now we are getting ready to head to Carnival. So excited. So one of the boys just went down to the liquor store to go pick up what we were planning on doing as vodka, but they didn't have any. So we asked the clerk, what do you drink in Uruguay? And they said grappa. So now we're mixing grappa with orange soda and it's really good. So this is grappa, 38%. What do you think of the grappa, Allie?
Gross.
What do you think?
That's okay. I don't know.
Holy crap!
So we found.
Now, guys, if this goes missing tonight,
there's an erotic magazine in our apartment. I'm just gonna blur those photos out so that they are YouTube friendly.
Need to dog ear that one for later there.
And we have these creepy ass paintings in our room. This one's an alien. This one just has like eternal resting bitch face. But this one is ding ding ding, the winner of the creepiest painting ever. This is what nightmares are made of. Sup, Jacob?
Just preparing a little grappa and Fanta.
Grappa and Fanta. Do you like it?
It's not too bad. It grows on you.
Yeah. As I'm judging everyone drinking my grappa and Fanta. Trippiest clouds ever. So pretty. Welcome to Uruguay, where they have crazy ass clouds. We're tripping out about these clouds right now. It's hard to tell in this light, but for us they're like really orangey yellow and kind of like lumpy like that. Really cool lighting here right now. This is so crazy. I've never seen clouds like this before. We are in. I got a flower and I got a matching wristband. Let's go find our seats. What's up, Gringo section? So excited. We hear drums. It's starting.
Right.
We've been sitting here for like an hour in our little seats waiting. But now we hear drums and we see flags and they're coming. This guy is giving us bags of confetti and we are going to make a huge mess with them.